But first, polls have now closed and counting has begun in Somaliland territory for Monday's presidential election. Over 700,000 voters were eligible to have their say on who will be President Ahmed Mohamed Mohamud's successor. Stepping down after his 5-year term was controversially extended by 2.5 years due to inadequate funding and a drought. Now the leader has led a government accused of corruption and nepotism. There are 3 candidates vying for the top spot, with the ruling party facing a strong challenge from opposition candidates. Clement Bonnereau has more on this story.
It's a state that does not exist, yet it has its own flag, capital, army and president. Though not internationally recognised, Somaliland has all the characteristics of an independent country. The breakaway territory declared independence after the overthrow of Somali military dictator Siad Barre in 1991, following a 10-year civil war that killed more than 60,000 people. Located in northern Somalia and sitting on the Gulf of Aden, Somaliland has an area of 137,600 square kilometres and a population of around 3.5 million. The capital and the largest city is Hargeisa, with around 1 million residents. The former British protectorate became independent in July 1960 and was officially recognised as an independent state by more than 30 countries. It was united with the former Italian Somaliland 9 days later to form the Somali Republic, today known as Somalia. In recent years, it's escaped much of the chaos and violence that plagued the rest of the country. A team of 60 international observers have been invited to oversee Monday's vote.
Well, let's now move on to Kenya. Police investigating a young